Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the clearance tool deals from power tools, regular drills, stuff like that. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help us out by doing so. It does help out the channel grow and so we can buy like more equipment. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we're at this Lowe's here. We did the outdoor power equipment section in another video. See if I can link it up above for you guys if you guys want to look at that. Got this toolbox for $4.89. So you guys see there's a 52-inch wide 8-drawer tool chest with 10-inch drawer rolling cart, or the bottom cart. So both of these are all of these boxes are sold separately. This is $2.39. It's on clearance. I believe they already sold the bottom piece, and they have this one left. It might go down a little bit more. That's a nice tool chest there. If you already have the matching bottom box there, you got $3.89. It says 100 pounds ball bearing slides. So as you guys see there, $2.89. The 41-inch 6-drawer chest. It's a 2000S model. 41-inch wide 6 drawers tool chest and cabinet combo. $49 for this toolbox, 3 drawers. It's a 28.5 inches metal toolbox. It's pretty much like, it looks like a standard old toolbox. I used to have one of those without the drawers. Got the spider there for $49.98. Now you got the miter saw stand here for $159. It's on clearance, or new lower price, not actual clearance. Still not too bad. It does have the little wheel, so you can just roll it around. Then we got some Craftsman here. You got a heat gun there for $79.20. So definitely check out these deals. I believe some of these you can get the free battery, the free 4 amp hour battery in the charger. Like this one, $59.73. You can get the free 4 amp hour battery in the charger. I believe they're still running that deal, especially for $60. That's a smoking deal there. Definitely check it out. And you got this impact wrench for $99. It is brushless. So like I said, this is another tool you can choose with that free 4 and the charger. So definitely check them out. There's a lot of good deals. You got the fan here for $49. I believe you can't choose this one. You can only choose certain tools. Still a great deal for $49. You got 650 CFM. So you got cord or battery. So that's a good feature on that. $17.98 for the Flex Torque set. 26 piece, and then 21 piece, $24.98 for the titanium. So that's the Flex Torque. 26 piece. You got some nut drivers. You got the 3-inch or 2-inch bits, 1-inch bits there, and then you got a tic-tac case there at the bottom. It's empty, but you still have it. You got some nice auger bits here, speed bores, $14.98, a 3-piece. It's a really nice set. I got some of the spider ones. They've been working fine so far. You got some socket organizers here, $14.98. Looks like that's it. They might be on the wrong side, but. And then we got this ratchet here on clearance, or new lower price, mini head ratchet, 3/8. So they got a whole bunch of tools here. They got the torque wrench still for $149.98. So I did end up buying the Quinn from Harbor Freight. It had better reviews than the Cobalt. That's why I ended up going with the. Stay tuned for that review. I should have it out this week. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe so you guys won't miss that and other reviews, power tool reviews we have going on. $13.98 for the 3/8, 7-piece, 1/4 inch. As you guys see there, and they are different sizes and like sockets. You got the skills here, the power 12 volts. That's the oscillating tool there. Seems like they just got here. Got a 4-tool or 5-tool combo kit here with the, it looks like a speaker. A job site speaker there, 12 volts. Then $149 for this gunmetal 150 piece. Fortunately, they were already out of this. Regular price is $199, so I got to see it's just a sticker. $69.98 for this quarter of an inch 83 piece and 3/8 mechanics tool set. $69.98. It's a nice little set there. And then we got some more skill, the Power 20, the 20 volts brushless. That is the circular saw and the reciprocating saw and impact driver and drill driver right there on the bottom. Then you got the impact driver there, and then the oscillating tool to the left, and then impact driver and drill driver, like I said. And then you got the battery. That's the battery that has the USB. If you guys don't know, these batteries have the USB, like a power supply. And I got this one on clearance. It's a hex piece, 6-piece, $19.98. It's a 6-piece metric. And you got the SAE over there. And you got some cobalt deals here. $159 for the 227 piece, plus 5 pieces, says right there. You got a 4-port charger there for $89. You got a light for $69. Hand lights there for a flashlight, $9.98. And you got a 4-tool combo kit there for $2.99. There are brushless tools, so that's the plus from Cobalt's 24-volt max. They're all brushless tools. $29.98. That's a big kit. It does include some spade bits there, as you guys see. $49.98 for the 100 piece, and then $2.99 for the 300 piece. Basically $1 a piece there. And then $6.98 is on lower price. Here, this is the drywall screw bit, so you don't want tear into the drywall. You got the oscillating tool, the router for $119, the cut tool there for $99. Got a $14.98 for that for 65 piece. Looks like a really nice set. Actually, I do like the cobalt bits. They're pretty nice. Got a big battery for $59 there. 100 piece bit set there for $19.98. I really recommend that 100 piece set there. I do have the older version. You got an angle grinder for $99. And a circular saw for $129. So lots of good deals here. Then they got the 5 amp hour battery. So if you buy one of the other tools, the 12 amp hour or the 12 volt tools from DeWalt, you get a free 5 amp hour battery. I know they don't have that advertised because they hardly have any of these batteries in, but they're running that deal. They got this killer deal, probably one of the better deals of this whole video. $164, guys, for this miter saw. It is battery operated, I believe. This miter saw is half price than what normally it goes for. So you guys see it there, $269 regular price. It's down to $164 on clearance. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have this, you know, like a new model, bringing up a new model or something. But you know what? This is a great deal. It is a battery operated tool. These are a lot really expensive tools. And then we got this power supply for $13.79, which I should have gotten. I did not get. I forgot to get this power supply. Too bad I have this store is like really far from my house. And you got this the extremes for $99. You get to buy either impact driver, drill driver. That's the drill driver there. Really nice tools. Like I said, you buy any of these kits, you get a free 5 amp hour battery. If you could find that at your store, you know, you're lucky, because a lot of us don't have them. Our stores, even this one, did not have the whole deal there. But if you buy that, you used to get that honor that deal. They should honor that deal, the free battery deal. You got the drill there, impact driver, and then you got the impact wrench, and then that's the skill power core 12 for $79.98. As you guys see there, half-an-inch drill driver kit. And then you got the Bosch here, the 2-tool combo kit, cordless drill driver, 2 speeds, auto covered by a 3-year warranty, $99. I believe that's the one to the right with the 2 tools. Or maybe that's the one with the attachments. I don't know if that was on the wrong side, the wrong tag. 2412 with his lights. It's a 200 lumen, 24 little max. If you already got these batteries, good to go there. And then we got some Metambo deals. This is a really good deal if you're already on the line. 159 for this 36 volts, 7 1/4 circular saw. This thing's a beast. If you already got these batteries, that's the way to do it. And then they had the impact driver for 148, the impact driver with the 3 amp hour kit. So that's the top of the line right there. And then they got this smoking deal too. 194 I should have just gotten, but I was, I didn't have enough money there. But it's 194. Check it out at your store. It's an impact driver, drill driver with the battery. And then they got this impact wrench here for 149. Bear tool, I believe. So there's a lot of good deals. Reciprocating saw for 179. So you guys see there. Bunch of good deals. So definitely check out your nearest Lowe's and check out all those deals. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.